what I'm going to show you in my talk is how I think about the world, entirely without a box. Because I think if you aren't melding three perspectives at the same time, what's going on in climate change, technology, and globalization, you will not understand the world today. We're going from a world that was interconnected to a world that's interdependent. The central question of politics today is how you get resilience and propulsion. So if you are not going to be predisposed to be a lifelong learner, you're going to have a real problem building resilience and propulsion in this age. We're entering a world now where one person can kill all of us because of these accelerations, and at the same time where all of us could actually fix everything. Everyone needs to be in the grip of sustainable values, and at a minimum, the golden rule, if we want to have resilience and propulsion in this world today.